Let's learn how to get started with Twitter advertising. Step 1 is to go to ads.twitter.com. Next, we have to choose an objective. So let's click edit. Here you can see a bunch of different options broken into 3 categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. This totally depends on you and your campaign. However, just for simplicity, I'll choose reach. On this page, we're just filling out our campaign name, our daily budget, our total budget if we decide to do that, our start date for the ad, and our end date, which is also optional. Now let's go to the next page. All right, so this ad group is going to be called New York Giants fans, and there are a ton of options on this page, and I'm not going to go through each one, but if you are confused, simply click the I next to that section and it'll tell you exactly what it is, and it even includes a learn more link if you're still confused. So as you can see, maximum reach, automatic bid, we're paying by impression, so on and so forth. Then we come up to demographics, and because I'm targeting fans of the New York Giants, I'm going for men. I'm going for 21 to 49. I want them to be in New York and speak English. This just helps you really dial in to a specific person. And as we keep going, we can make sure that we only get people on iOS and a certain carrier, so on and so forth. The targeting features is where we really dive in deep to the nitty gritty and we find that person we want this ad to reach. It's one thing to say we want people from New York that are men that are 21 to 49, but it's another to have people that include keywords like New York Giants, that have follower lookalikes to New York Giants. They're interested in NFL football, so on and so forth. So really spend your time here and make sure you're getting the exact person you want for your ad. Then as we scroll down, we have placements. Where do you want these to show up? So we have the home timeline, on your profile, on search results. This is also something you're going to want to look into for your specific ad. For creatives, there is nothing here, and we're just going to go ahead and click create tweet. Now we are on the tweet composer and we can see a preview of how our ad will look on mobile and desktop off to the right hand side. Of course, this is where you're going to enter your actual text, and you can choose if you want a photo or video, or if you want to do a carousel, which is 2 to 6 photos or videos. So here's a little example if I was tweeting about season tickets now being available. The card type is website. So this is your call to action. That's this little section over here. If you really wanted to, you could actually just turn this off or choose an app instead. But most people are going to select website, and all your information for that is right here. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a draft. All right, back here in the creative section, in order for that tweet that we just composed to actually show up here, we do need to actually tweet it out first. So I'm not actually going to tweet that on my personal Twitter, but I am going to just, for the sake of the example, choose one of my older tweets about the Giants. We'll go preview. Here's how it's going to look. Android, iOS. Awesome. All right, final step is to review all of our details. That's your budget, start and end date, of course, your ad group, make sure you're really targeting the right people, and then of course, your creatives. But once you're all set and ready with that, you're gonna click launch campaign. Now, of course, I'm not going to do that, but I highly recommend once you're confident to press that button and you're all set and ready to go. So just like that, you now know how to get started with Twitter advertising. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.